Guys, this is not a pot full, but just saying, I got like 300 people in my base, and it was like crazy.
It was intense. He almost got, but he clutched it. He swung all the people, and then he did leave, and not one of them did they get the pregnant.
Yeah, guys, that's what he said. I'm like lucky, very lucky. And it's 5 past 12 in South Africa now. And we're still playing. And we're gonna make a part 4. And then when we hit 2 million or 3 million, I'm not sure, then we're gonna make a 5. And then, yeah, I think we had like 1.8 something. So give us good luck and a lot of views, please.
Yes, please. Please give us a lot.
You heard him, and now I'm hopefully that they didn't steal anything. So I'm cooked.